Hi, I'm Kelsey Healy. Today we're talking with attorney Dan Munley about some recent changes that have been made to trucking laws. Recently, lawmakers passed a bill to suspend some of the rest rules that were in place for commercial truck drivers. Thank you so much for meeting with us today.
Happy to be here.
Do you think that suspending these rest rules poses a danger to other drivers on the road?
Well, Kelsey, anytime you have an industry like the trucking industry where they're telling you that they're going to allow their drivers to drive for longer hours and receive less opportunities to sleep, absolutely I believe that the traveling public on the highways and byways of America are more in danger.
And do you think some of the supporters of this bill have made claims suggesting that requiring drivers to get more sleep at night places them on the road during the day more often, and that creates more opportunity for accidents? Do you think that that is a valid argument?
Well, I think one of the questions you would have to ask yourself there is, what are you looking for in this situation? What I'm hoping to see is that we have truck drivers who receive proper rest and are alert when they're behind the wheel. I'm not so much interested as they are in when they're on the road as how they are feeling when they're behind the wheel of these giant vehicles. Keep in mind that these vehicles oftentimes weigh 80,000 pounds and can be as much as 75 feet long. And so if you're asking me when they're sleeping, I'm not so much interested in that as how much sleep are they getting. And these guys become a danger because when you're not as alert, if you don't get enough sleep, sometimes it takes you longer to react to things. So no, I don't think we're safer because of that rule.
And as a truck injury lawyer who sees lots of these types of cases with car and truck accidents on a daily basis, would you say that drowsy driving is a major concern?
I think it's the #1 concern that faces the traveling public today when dealing with tractor trailers. You don't know, as you're driving down the highway, whether or not the guy who's driving the truck next to you has received the proper amount of sleep. He may be up for 21 to 26 consecutive hours and be behind the wheel for a long, long period of time. And so, in my experience, a lot of times these accidents were preventable, and the reason that they haven't been prevented is because the driver wasn't alert to the conditions on the roadway in front of them, and because of that, he caused the accident.
Well, thank you so much for meeting with us today.
Thank you.